Welcome this video. Depth, decor, idea, elevate your outdoor space. Create a well designed depth its for make the most of your outdoor space. A thoughtful range depth not only extend your living area but also provide a tranquil place and when entertain guests a simple enjoy natural whether you do with a compact balcony or a surround backyard depth the right decor can transform the area into a beautiful functionally and comfortable extent of your home. Here are some ideas to inspire your depth transforming. Start with comfortable set. The set arrangement set the tone for your depth to maximize comfort and unique innovation in quality outdoor furniture that fits your space long area. Consider sit soft, choice long weather resisting in vibrant a natural tone can be make set more invite well also bring multifunctional price if space is limited furniture that double offset as a atmosphere can branch with height compartment can be a great solve